Dancehall Artiste Quada has been granted $500,000 bail.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Fast-rising dancehall artist Quada has been granted bail by the Kingston and St. Parish Court. Quada, whose real name is Shaquelle Clarke, was granted bail in the sum of $500,000. The application was made by two members of his legal team, attorneys Stacey Knight and Bianca Samuels. The court has ordered him to surrender his travel documents, and stop orders are in place for him at the nation's ports. Early reports are that Clarke is expected to approach the court to have the stop orders removed to facilitate him honoring contractual obligations overseas. His lead attorney, Bert Samuels, says his client is denying his involvement in the killing. Samuels said that Clarke is confident in his attorney and the justice system, and that is why he turned himself in voluntarily. Clarke is scheduled to return to court on the 27th of January. He was charged by detectives from the Constant Spring Police Station on Wednesday the 14th of January after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. The charges are in relation to the mob killing of 30-year-old Miguel Williams in Sterling Castle Heights in St. Andrew last year. Williams was believed to be of unsound mind. Reports are that on the 17th of April 2019, he was beaten, killed and then set ablaze after he was accused of being involved in the molestation and killing of 80-year-old Shantae Skyers. According to the police, the DNA evidence taken from the body of Skyers does not match the DNA of Miguel Williams.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.